Hey, this is Deepak here from digitaldeepak.com, and in this video we are going to have a look at Facebook ads. This video will give a complete overview about Facebook ads, and we will be discussing about how to create new campaigns, the different types of campaigns, billing, custom audiences, Facebook pixel, and so on. So if you are new to Facebook ads, this video will make you comfortable with the Facebook ads advertising dashboard, and you will be able to go ahead and create your first successful Facebook campaign after you complete watching this video. If you are planning to master Facebook ads, then I would recommend checking out my Facebook ads mastery course, which has been taken by more than 10,000 students, and it has got really good feedback and testimonials. So let's get started. So here we are in my Facebook ads account, and here you can see this is the main Facebook ads dashboard. So if I want to create a new campaign, I have to click on create, and here this is the new campaign setup. So what I will do is that I will go ahead and create a campaign directly. So let's go ahead and create a campaign to drive traffic to my blog post. So the option will be traffic here. So here you have brand awareness, consideration, and conversion. Brand awareness is just to go ahead and get more people to view your message on Facebook, the ad that you create. You can either reach a lot of people, or you can go ahead and reach a small segment of people with high repetition. If you want to go ahead and get traffic to your website, this is the option. This is post engagement. Then if you have an app and if you want installs for the app, you can choose this option, video views, Facebook lead ads, and then you have messages where people message you on Facebook. And then you have conversion campaigns. So we will also set up a conversion campaign in this video. So let's say traffic job blog post. So recently I published a blog post on my blog, which is getting a good response. So I will go ahead and boost it. So let's go to digitaldeepak.com and let's look at this post. So this is the post that I want to drive traffic to. So let's go back here. So I want to drive traffic to the website. The audience that I want to target is people who have visited my website in the past 180 days. So I will choose 180 days of website visitors. So how I created this is something that I will explain. It is through the Facebook pixel. The targeting should be India. So here I will choose India as the targeting option. And let's go ahead and leave it at automatic placements. I want link clicks, and let's say the daily budget for this is going to be $10. So I will go ahead and click on continue. So here you need to connect an Instagram page and a Facebook page. So here Digital Deepak is my Instagram account, so that has been already connected, and I have to go ahead and add media. So here I will be able to go ahead and select stock images. So I will just put job, because this blog post is related to a job. So let's select a few images related to jobs. So we can choose this, we can choose this. So up to 6 images is what I can select. So I'm choosing this as well, new career, this one, and we can choose one more. So let's see how these ads perform. So I'm clicking continue now. So here primary text I have to add, and website URL I have to add. So website URL will be this one. So I will go ahead and put the website URL here. And let me go ahead and enter the primary text, headline, description, and get back to this video. So you can see that I have entered the primary text, headline, description, and I have also added the website link, and this is how the ad will be displayed on mobile. If I want to see how it will be displayed on desktop, so this is how it will be displayed on desktop, and there are 6 different ad images. So here if I select 2 of 6 ads, then I will be able to see the same ad with a different image. So the purpose of this ad is to drive traffic to my blog and nothing else. So here I will go ahead and click on confirm, and then the ad will be created. So creating an ad for a traffic campaign is as simple as this inside Facebook ads. And you can see that this particular post that we have just created, which is an ad post. It will be in draft until the data gets uploaded to Facebook. So right now you can see that it's getting uploaded, and they are publishing all the different variants of the ad images and the ad text. So once the publishing is done, you can see that it will be in review, and someone from the Facebook ads team will review the post and then it will get approved. So this usually takes sometimes a few hours, and rarely it takes even 1 or 2 days. And you can see there are other campaigns like that. Traffic digitaldeepak.com, you can see 1093 clicks at 4 cents per click. I have spent $47 here. So right now you can see that the blog post is just going to receive traffic, and there is something called the Facebook helper here. So here it says there has not been any pixels found on my website. So what I will do is that I will go ahead and log in into my blog and make sure that the Facebook pixel is installed. So let me log in into my blog. I will go to digitaldeepak.com/wp-admin. So here I am inside my blog's dashboard, and what I need to do is that I need to go ahead and use a plugin to install the Facebook pixel. So Facebook pixel is something that you will find inside this drop down menu, and inside event manager you can go ahead and click on pixels. So here you can see this is the default pixel, and I will click on the default pixel. I will go ahead and click on setup and click on install pixel, and here you will be able to see the code. So I will copy this code, go to this and click on new code block, and I will call it Facebook pixel. Click on create, and this will be in the header. So now I have entered the Facebook pixel, and I will click on save. And I also need to make sure that this is going to be displayed on all the pages. So let's see where we have. So there is a option called entire website. So I will click on save. Also my website is cached, so I will go to performance and go ahead and clear on empty all caches. So this is a pretty simple step for any website owner to add a JavaScript code to their website. However, if this is something that you do not know how to do, then I recommend that you get a developer to go ahead and install the JavaScript on your website. If you are using a landing page builder or some drag and drop website builder, there should be an option to add a JavaScript code. So here I will go and I will click on inspect in Chrome, and I will do a empty cache and hard reload. So this is to make sure that the page is not loading from a saved page before, and I will close this. So now there is a Chrome plugin called the Facebook Pixel Helper. So if I click on the Facebook pixel, you can see that my pixel ID is found on this particular page, which is also something that you can view in the page source. So if I just search for pixel, so here you can see Facebook pixel is something that is there on the website. So this particular Facebook pixel, how it helps is that whenever people visit my website, most of the people are already logged in into Facebook on their browser, right? So if they visit my website, Facebook knows that this particular person has visited the website, and you can create a custom audience out of it. This is how you put the pixel, and now let me go ahead and show you audiences. So audiences is very important in Facebook because the effectiveness of your Facebook ad depends on to which audience you are showing the ad. In the case of, let's say, promoting a blog post, you can see that people who have visited my website already in the past 180 days are much more likely to go ahead and visit my website than people who have never visited my website before. So if I go ahead and click on create audience, so there is a option called custom audience, and here I will go ahead and click on website custom audience. So here I can go ahead and give a rule. So any website visitors in the past 60 days, so let's say all website visitors, or let's say 60 days of visitors. So these are the people who have visited my website in the past 60 days. I can also go ahead and specify digitaldeepak.com here, so that digitaldeepak.com is the only website that I am tracking for creating the audience. So if I go ahead and set up a rule like this, then you can say 60 days of visitors not available right now because it's still gathering the data and it's still populating. So you can see I have a lot of different audiences that I have created, and audiences is something that I have covered in great detail in my Facebook ads mastery course. There is a separate module on audiences, on all the different types of audiences. But since we are just having an overview of Facebook ads right now, in the interest of saving time, I will not go too deep into that. So there is also something called custom conversions, which is very important for creating a conversion optimized ad. So here what I do is that I have a landing page called learndigitalmarketing.com, and this landing page is where people sign up for my free digital marketing course. And once they sign up, so let's go ahead and sign up. I'm going ahead and signing up. So what happens is that I have Facebook pixel installed on this page. So you can see one pixel found on learndigitalmarketing.com, and then I go ahead and click on get your free lessons. Then it goes to a thank you page, and in the thank you page also there is a Facebook pixel. So what happens here is that since I have put it on the thank you page, I can go ahead and create something called a custom conversion. So here you can see that I have created a custom conversion called LDM lead, and basically what this is that include all URL traffic where URL contains learndigitalmarketing.com/thank you. So this is the thank you page. So what I am telling Facebook is that if someone is visiting the thank you page, then count it as a conversion. So if this does not make sense to you, just give me a moment and I will show you how to go ahead and create a conversion optimized ad. So conversion optimized ad is basically an ad which is not just driving traffic to your landing page, but it is also going to go ahead and make sure that the traffic is converting. So if let's say Facebook is sending 1,000 visitors to this particular landing page, out of those 1,000 visitors, I will be able to measure how many people actually went to the thank you page and converted, because my goal here is not just to get traffic to this page, but to get people to sign up. So Facebook will understand that, and Facebook will go ahead and show the ad to more people who are more likely to sign up than the people who are just likely to click. So let's say conversions, and I will say LDM leads. So what I am doing here is setting up a conversion optimized campaign, and to set up the conversion optimized campaign, you need to make sure that the Facebook pixel is installed, and then you have the right audiences, and then you have custom conversion setup. So custom conversions, here you can see conversion event is showing up. So LDM lead is the conversion event, which is defined as people who go to the thank you page. So now that this is defined, I will define the custom audience. So here what I will do, I will go ahead and select lookalike audience, which is an audience which looks just like the people who visit my website. So this is again lookalike audience, which is covered in my Facebook ads mastery course in detail. It explains what lookalike audience means. So I will go ahead and select India, because India is the country that I will be targeting right now. Let the daily budget be at $20, and I will go ahead and click on continue here. So now I have to go ahead and create a ad for conversion optimized campaign. So let me go ahead and create the ad, and the landing page that we will be sharing here will be learndigitalmarketing.com. So I will copy this and I will put it here. Website URL will be learndigitalmarketing.com, and I will go ahead and add a text, headline, description, add some images, and continue recording this video. So I have entered the primary text, headline, description, entered the link, and I have also changed the display link to digitaldeepak.com, because that is the URL that people recognize more than learndigitalmarketing.com. And instead of learn more, which is the default call to action, I have used sign up, because people are signing up for the course. So I have added 6 different images, as you can see here, and this is how it shows. So right now these images are watermarked with Shutterstock, but they will go away once the ad is approved. So this is just to prevent people from stealing images from Facebook by taking screenshots or whatever. So now you can see that this is a conversion tracking campaign and it is going to get tracked via pixels. So what Facebook will do is that Facebook will go ahead and show this ad to the audience that I have selected here, which is 1% lookalike audience. And Facebook will start showing this ad to people only who are highly likely to convert. So Facebook will know who is converting because we have put the conversion pixel or the Facebook pixel on the thank you page. So Facebook knows whether people are converting, because once they click on the link and go outside of Facebook without the Facebook pixel, Facebook will not be able to know what is happening with the user. So let me go ahead and click on confirm and let's see if the ad goes through. So we have created the ad and submitted the ad, and we have created a new campaign with $20 a day budget, which will be $600 a month. And I will create another follow-up video after this video and link below this video when I start seeing results. But in this video we will not be able to see results immediately because it will take some time for the ad to get reviewed and it will take some time for the ad to get approved. So here if you go ahead and click on the ad, once you click on the campaign you will see the ad sets, and once you click on the ad set you will see the actual ad. So if you want to go ahead and see the post of the ad, which is just like a post that you make on your page, but this is like a hidden post. This is not appearing on your page, but this is just like any other post which appears on your page, which means that people can like it, people can comment on it, and people can share it. So here you can see for this particular ad that I have run, you can see people liking it, and you can see people who have shared it, and sometimes people also comment on it. Once in a while you have to go ahead and check your ads. If there are any negative comments, you have to go ahead and respond to it. I would not recommend you deleting the comments because that would be unethical to do, but you can go ahead and if there is any customer issue or complaint, you can go ahead and reply to that comment, and other people who are seeing the ad who are not your customers yet will be able to see that you are responsive and you are attending to your customers, which is a good thing. So there are a lot of other areas of Facebook ads which I have not covered in this video because this is just an overview video so that you can get an idea of what is Facebook ads, how do you create campaigns, and a general idea about the Facebook pixel, audiences, and custom conversions. So this is how I have been using Facebook, and I am using it quite actively for my own business. If you look at last month, I have spent $387, which is not much. But if you look at lifetime spent, I have spent more than $70,000 and I have created 582 campaigns. So here you can see I have spent $73,600 on Facebook for running various campaigns, and I have generated a lot of leads from Facebook ads, and that is how I have built my following. And there is a very good chance that if you are watching this video and if you are following me right now, you might have come from my Facebook ad campaigns. You might have discovered me from the Facebook ad campaigns. So it has been 45 minutes since I set up this campaign, and we were doing this video at 8:30 a.m. and right now you can see it's 9:14 a.m. and within these 45 minutes Facebook has approved the ad, and it has also started becoming active, and it has started generating the leads as well. So you can see 6 new leads have come in, and if I go into this particular ad set, I can see which particular ad gave me the leads, and you can see all the ads are right now in the learning stage, which means that it is trying to optimize itself, and you will see numbers which are not very consistent. You can see 25 cents per lead, 10 cents per lead, 2 cents per lead. So this particular campaign is giving leads at 2 cents per lead. This might not sustain for a long time. So right now, since we have just got 6 leads, the numbers are all over the place. So if I want to go ahead and view this post, I can view this post. You can see already 3 people have liked it. I can go ahead and see the post on Facebook with the permalink. So this particular post is not available for anyone who tries to see this from my page, but it will be run as an ad for the target audience that I have set up. So this is the ad. So anyone who clicks on it will go to this particular landing page, enter their name and email ID, and I will be collecting the leads. So let me also go ahead and show you how I collect the leads. So I am using Unbound's landing page builder right now to collect the leads. Let me go ahead and sign in, and I will show you inside how the leads are collected. So you can see that this is the landing page learndigitalmarketing.com, and it is hosted on Unbounce. I am using Unbounce because it is very easy to build the landing page. It is very easy to see the stats. It is easy to split test, and also it is very easy to go ahead and pass the leads to my CRM or email marketing tool. So I have reset these stats on June 11th, and you can see since June 11th we have got 368,000 visitors, 438,000 views, and 123,000 conversions. The landing page conversion is right now at 33%, which means that out of every 100 visitors, 33 visitors end up entering their email ID. So here you can see there is a split test as well. I have done a small variant and there is not much change. So here I can go ahead and check the leads. So right now you can see that Facebook has given us 6 leads. So these 6 email IDs and names will be added here. So we can see 6 leads are here. And if I go into the leads tab, this is where I will be able to see the leads which have just come in. So this landing page is also receiving traffic from Google Ads. So Google Ads is also sending me 300 to 500 leads a day. So I will be seeing those leads here as well. So here you can see 1 minute ago, 1 minute ago, 4 minutes ago, 6 minutes ago, 10 minutes ago. So the leads are continuously coming in. And here you can see this particular campaign GALDM default is the campaign which is coming from Google Ads, and everything else is coming from Facebook ads, or sometimes I get direct traffic to the website as well, and through the direct traffic I will be able to get the leads on the page. These leads are going into my email marketing tool, and the email marketing tool makes sure that the leads are engaged and nurtured, and once the leads are engaged and nurtured, then I do an email marketing campaign for launching a product or a course, and that's how I make a return on investment from the ads that I am running on Facebook. That's about it for this video. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment below. I hope this video helped you get an understanding of Facebook ads and how Facebook ads can be used for your business. A lot of businesses go ahead and run Facebook ads by their own. There is no need to hire a digital marketing agency or a digital marketer full time to run these campaigns. So if you are a business owner, you can go ahead and set up Facebook campaigns just by learning from this video and learning by yourself. And if you want advanced concepts, check out my Facebook ads mastery course. If you are a student or a professional, then you can go ahead and learn Facebook ads so that tomorrow you can get a job as a full-time digital marketer or as a consultant, or you can even go ahead and start your own ad agency where you will be a digital ad agency running ads for other businesses. So a lot of businesses don't know how to run Facebook ads, and the good part about Facebook ads is that you and me can learn just by setting up a Facebook ads account. Multi-billion-dollar corporations who run ads for millions of dollars a month on Facebook also use the same interface, and we have the same interface at our disposal to not just start running the campaigns, but to go ahead and learn about it as well. So if you want to master Facebook ads, go ahead and check out my Facebook ads mastery course, and thousands of people have taken this course. Right now I have more than 10,000 students who have enrolled in this particular course, and you can see that there are so many testimonials and reviews and feedback about this course, making this particular Facebook ads course one of the best Facebook ads course in the market, because it pretty much covers everything. And also in this course I'm constantly updating new videos and case studies. So if you sign up for this course, you will be getting updates for free for life as I keep adding new videos to this course and make this course more and more valuable. So I hope you like this video. If you want, you can go ahead and try Facebook ads yourself. I did not learn Facebook ads from any course. I just learned Facebook ads by trial and error. So you can also learn by trial and error. If you want, go ahead and create a Facebook ads account, spend $5 or $10, run some campaigns. And once you get the hang of it, Facebook ads can become pretty exciting. Every day morning, I go ahead and I open my Facebook ads account and I check how many clicks I have got, how many leads I have got, and it can be like pretty exciting and addictive as well. So you can see that just a while back we were having 6 leads and now we have 7 leads. So new leads keep coming in, and to know that there is a real person out there who is clicking on my ad and coming inside and entering their name and email ID to subscribe for my course. This is very interesting and exciting, and this is how I have built my influence. This is how I have built my personal brand. This is how I have built my business. And today, the name Digital Deepak as a brand for digital marketing knowledge is so well known out in the market that I am able to get very big clients like Your Story, Mercedes-Benz, Nikon Lenswear, and all these clients are now coming to us to help them run the campaigns. So this led to starting an agency of my own called Pixel Track, and you can go ahead and check out pixeltrack.com to understand what we do. So this has become an agency now, and here you can see we do a lot of digital marketing campaigns for all these different brands, and now we are a company with more than 10 people working with us, and the team is working on different areas such as email marketing, Facebook ads, and everything. So what started as a humble Facebook ad campaign today has led to creating a digital marketing agency of my own, and that is the power of Facebook ads. So you should definitely go ahead and give it a try. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment below. I will respond to each and every comment and each and every question. So thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.